PJ Mac Air Duct Cleaning provides dependable heat pump services for homeowners and businesses throughout Philadelphia County, PA. Whether you need seasonal heat pump maintenance or help with an existing system, we are ready to assist. Call our heat pump services team if you have any questions. Are you looking for a heat pump services near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac Air Duct Cleaning. How often should a heat pump be serviced? Most manufacturers recommend professional maintenance at least once or twice a year. Regular service helps improve efficiency, prevent unexpected breakdowns, and extend the lifespan of your heat pump. Why is my heat pump making strange noises? Unusual sounds such as grinding, rattling, buzzing, or squealing can indicate mechanical issues, loose components, airflow restrictions, or debris in the system. What is your service area for Philadelphia, Pennsylvania? Our heat pump services has helped clients in Philadelphia, Carroll Park, Haverford North, Spruce Hill, Mantua, West Passyunk, Point Breeze, Newbold, Dickinson Narrows, Hawthorne, Queen Village, Yorktown, East Kensington, West Kensington, Fair Hill, Port Richmond, Powelton Village, Brewerytown, Kensington, Nicetown, Tioga, Pennsylvania. Where are your heat pump services in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania located? We are located at 7708 City Avenue number 206 Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 19151. Our phone number is 610-424-6277. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Philadelphia-County.